Hello students, today we are going to start the third part of our 1.4 lesson Pillars of Democracy, which is written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So open your page number 36 and second paragraph. Now listen carefully. The second thing we must do is to observe. Observe it means notice or follow. Observe. Caution. Caution it means take care. Which John Stuart Mill has given to all who are interested in the maintenance of democracy. So here Dr. B.R. Ambedkar trying to tell us that in democracy, if anybody who want to maintain democracy in his nation, in his country, so for that he need to notice, pay attention towards one caution, one very important thing which is John Stuart Mill has said. And what is that? Not to lay there. Lay it means put or keep. Not to lay their liberty at the feet of even a great man. So, if there is any great man in your country, so you need not to put your liberty in his foot. Don't completely devote to that particular person, whatever kind of higher personality that person is. Don't try to make him a hero. Or trust him with power which enable. Enable it means make able, which enable him to subvert. Subvert it means destroy their institutions. So if you are keeping your liberty at the foot of any particular person, so that person automatically become powerful, and with that power that person will try to destroy all the institutions in the democracy. What are the institutions in democracy? Our judicial institution, our different kind of investigation institutions. So all these kind of institutions that particular person will destroy if you have given the whole power to that person, and you have laid your liberty at the foot of that person. There is nothing wrong in being grateful. Grateful it means being respectful. There is nothing wrong in being grateful to great men who have rendered. Rendered it means contributed. Rendered lifelong services to the country. Lifelong it means in the whole life, to the whole life. So any person, a great person who had given, who had contributed his whole life for the nation, so we need to be very thankful about that person. There is nothing, anything wrong in that, but there is limit to gratefulness. You be grateful to that person who had given his whole life for the country, but there is some limit of being grateful, of being respectful. Don't limit that, don't cross that limit. So suppose you crossed that limit of respectfulness, so what will happen? That person automatically become a powerful person. He will get whole power and he will try to destroy every institution of democracy. It means judicial institution, or any investigation institution, law institution, everything he can destroy if you have given whole power to that person in democracy. But there are limits to gratefulness, as he has as has been well said by the Irish patriot Daniel O'Connell. So there is one Irish, he is Daniel O'Connell. He is the person who was very patriotic. Patriotic, it means that person was loving his nation very much, lot of. No man can be grateful at the cost of his honor. It means if any person living in any country, so that person's self-respect is more important than anything. No woman can be grateful at the cost of chastity. Chastity. Chastity, it means the meaning of that word is given here in this blue line: purity, modesty. So if there is any lady, any woman, so there is nothing more important for that lady than her purity, than her chastity. And no nation can be grateful at the cost of liberty. And if any nation want to be very grateful, very great nation, so for that, in that nation we have to give some freedom to the people. Otherwise that nation cannot be a great nation. And if you have given full power to any particular person, so that person will destroy the democracy and he will try to rule over that country by his own hand, by his own power. This caution is far more necessary in the case of India than in the case of any other country. So, according to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, this is very important only in our country, in India, than any other country. Why? Because bhakti, or what may we call the path of devotion or hero worship. Hero worship, meaning of that word is given here in this blue line: excessive admiration for somebody, plays a part in its political unequaled in magnitude by the part it plays in the politics of any other country in the world. So in politics, we try to give very much lot of importance any particular person, and when we give any particular person lot of importance, then automatically that particular person becomes powerful, and that person then try to control on your lives, on your needs, and that person can be a very dangerous person for democracy, and that person can destroy all the institutes of a democracy according to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. So don't give your liberty, all your freedoms to that particular person. You can pay thanks, you can be thankful about that person, but don't cross your limit, don't go beyond the limit. If you go beyond the limit, so automatically that particular person, politician, will be powerful and he will destroy your whole nation, your whole democracy. Bhakti in religion may be a road to the salvation of the soul. Salvation, it means the act of saving from sin. So, in bhakti, religious bhakti of any god, so in that bhakti is a road to get your soul, your heart, your mind free from sin. Sin, it means bad things, bad thoughts. But in politics, bhakti or hero worship is a sure road to degradation and eventually it means at last. Eventually dictatorship. Eventually first at last and then is dictatorship. Dictatorship, it means one person who rules over the nation by power. So, bhakti in religion, it is okay. That is the road to make your soul, your mind, your heart free from sin, free from bad things, bad thought. But bhakti in politics, that is the road of degradation. It means destruction of the democracy. And that time, that particular person becomes dictator. It means that particular person rule over the country, rule over your life, and whatever he will say, you have to do that, otherwise you will be punished. So in this way, this part going to end here, and I am going to stop here. Have a good day to all. Thank you very much.